Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about Swift package. So what is Swift package and what is the purpose of Swift package? So whenever we are developing any iOS project, we write many code which we can reuse in other projects. So instead of copy pasting all of those code, we should be creating Swift package. So in Swift package, we can write all of our reusable code, which we can share it with other Xcode projects, or even we can share it with other developers using Swift Package Manager. So today I will explain you how to create a Swift package and write all of our reusable code inside it. So it is always a best practice to create a separate package for our reusable code. So let's begin. Then new package. Select library. Next. So you can provide any name to the Swift package. So for tutorial purpose, I will give it a name my Swift package. So this is our Swift package. This is the sources folder. This is my Swift package folder. So inside my Swift package folder, we can write our own code. So let's create a new file, name it calculator. So we are making this class public because this file is in separate module, and to make this file accessible, we will have to make it public. Now create one method. Now our first reusable calculator class is ready. Now our second task is how to import this Swift package inside our iOS project 1. So you can close this window for my Swift package. Now move to the directory. Select my Swift package folder. Simply drag and drop. Now you can see my Swift package has been imported. Now we have one more task. Select the project, select target, move to the section frameworks, libraries and embedded content. Now add this package. Now our iOS project 1 is ready to use our MySwift package. So for using calculator class, we will have to import package MySwift package. Now we can use our calculator class here. So it is giving some error. Let's check. So it is saying calculator initializer is inaccessible due to internal protection level. So this is error we are getting because our initializer is internal. So we will have to make it public. Let's make our initializer public. And now let's see what happens. Yes, error gone. Now you can see the result. Sum is equal to 30. Now our calculator class is working. So I have only provided you an initial introduction that how we can use Swift package to write our reusable code. In Swift package, we can add our assets also, any images, or we can provide storyboards or any Swift UI view. So only I have given you idea how to begin with Swift package. If you are not already using Swift package and you are manually copy pasting your code in every project, then this is the right time. You can start creating Swift package to share all of your reusable code. Now I will show you one more thing. Let see. Already we are using my Swift package inside project iOS project 1. Now we will create another project and we will import the same my Swift package inside that. So let's do that. So now we have the second project, iOS project 2. Let's create it. Now our iOS project 2 is ready. Close the window of iOS project 1. Open the directory. Select the folder of my Swift package. Simply drag and drop. Now again one more step we have to do. Select the project, select target, move to the section frameworks, libraries and embedded content. Select the package and add. Now our iOS project 2 is ready to use our calculator class. So let's use it. Import the package. Create the instance of calculator class. Use some method. Now see the result. So I have provided you a basic idea of how to use Swift package for all of our reusable code. So if you are not using Swift package, so now it is the best time that you start using these Swift packages for all of your reusable code. So I hope you guys like it. Okay, bye everyone.